Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki and Kawasaki, Japan's big four manufacturers. Honda alone sells 40% of all the motorcycles in the world. But have you ever wondered how motorcycle riding in Japan actually looks like? I took a flight straight to the source, rented one of their bikes and heading to figure out. This is Suzuki V-Strom 250 and we are going on an adventure. Hi, my name is Ksenia and I value freedom and exploration. I built a successful career in Silicon Valley as a software engineer and then walked away from it to adventure the world. This channel follows my journey to find my real self. I'm sharing this ride with you and we have honest conversations about life along the way. In Japan, I headed straight to the island of Kyushu. Kyushu is Japan's land of fire and water. Volcanoes hit the ground, hot springs rise from deep below, and this all is surrounded by Pacific Ocean. Kyushu is a mecca of motorcycle riding. I rented a bike there in Oita City from a company named Rental 819. A lot of people on Reddit recommended it, and after careful research the choice was obvious to me, and they also helped me with the route. All via email and they spoke English. So I made some new friends here in the shop and I'm learning Japanese. So how do you call motorcycle riding in Japanese?
Bike.
Bike. Okay. Thank you. Yes.
手袋
Okay. 手袋。
手袋
手袋。Okay, so here left probably. Here left? Okay. Okay,
浜町北でこっちをね
here and left, right?
で信号を左。
信号左。
信号トラフィックライト
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I don't know if you... Thank you.
Take care and enjoy your ride.
Thank you. Okay, here's the new bike. Thank you. Bye. For my adventures, I picked a smaller bike, Suzuki V-Strom 250. And I'm tiptoeing on it, of course, but because of the light weight, it doesn't really matter. It is very easy for me to handle it and I don't miss the weight of my BMW for sure. What I really miss on this bike is heated grips. Gosh. It's very cold. I need my warmers. Please. Just slide them in the glove, but try this way. I know that they will kind of inflate when they warm up, but I'll see how I feel. It's impossible to continue riding like I'm currently. I miss heated grips. Like, the thing that I really miss on this bike is heated grips. I was blown away by the beauty of the coastal roads, and it started to warm up as well as I was heading south. It's getting warmer and I'm super happy about it because I'm so tired of being cold. Little did I know that my next challenge is just around the corner. Sometimes things as simple as getting gas can get tricky if you don't really speak the language. I think it goes here. I'm not sure. Please take my money. Please take my money. No. Okay. Please take my money. Please take my money. No. Okay. We should go here, why not? Okay, I will go ask for some help. I don't even know how many meters my bike is. Let's go. V-Strom 250. Tank size 17 liters. Okay. Konnichiwa.
ガソリンを入れるのを手伝ってもらえますか？
ガソリン、
Sex.
ここ車は
Motorbike.
あ、バイク。
Bike. Yay! There is a saying in Russian which sounds like "язык до Киева доведет", which means that you can make it really far if you just open up and talk to people. I am so much grateful for every single person I met on this trip. Those who were patient to explain local culture to me, and those who just shared a laugh with me. ありがとうございます。
下
はい。
入ってるね。
はい。
大丈夫だよね。
ありがとうございます。
はい。
ありがとうございます。
はい。
On to another challenge. On my own BMW, I can just hit this thing with my hand and it will get closed. But this is a rental bike and I had to be dedicated with it. Arigatou. These were the moments from my first day in Japan. After that, there was so much more to come. I rode hundreds of kilometers along coastal and mountain roads. I witnessed the eruption of one of the world's most active volcanoes, and I experienced the richness of local culture. But that's a story for the next videos. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like my Mexican and Guatemala adventures. Links are on the screen. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.